big story today, of course, the fog. Did you have trouble getting into work this morning? Well, this is just a great picture we got from a Reddit user, Inside Light, checking out the Dallas skyline. Yeah, and this fog, it hung around for a good portion of the day. Now, on average at DFW, we have about 10 dense fog days per year, which means visibility at or below a quarter mile. So definitely one of the densest days we've had in quite some time. Now, because of this fog, you can tell where it hung around a little too long. Temperatures a little cooler in areas like Denton at 54, 55 for Bridgeport, but 63 in McKinney. That fog lifted a little faster there. 64 in Terrell, 63 toward Athens, even 65 in Hillsborough. Right now, temperatures range from 50s to about 60 degrees with low to mid 50s for much of the Metroplex, still a little bit milder in McKinney. We don't have much wind, and that's the big problem. Without wind, the fog kind of hangs on too long. The big question will be, will we have more fog tonight? It all depends on the cloud cover. Notice what's going on off to our west. High clouds starting to filter in, but we need a little bit more than that to prevent this fog. I think many of us will actually get it because here's our next wave that approaches tomorrow. So as this cloud cover moves in, it will limit the ability for dense fog to develop. If it takes a little longer to get the cloud cover here, then that means there will be more fog. Still think we could see some patches through the overnight into tomorrow. Now, that first system doesn't bring a whole lot of rain, but we have to wait until Sunday. Next to area of low pressure we're watching near Alaska. That gets here, and that brings a good bet for some rainfall for us. Widespread showers, even some thunderstorms. So from now until then, we'll see these little waves come in from the southwest for your Wednesday and for your Thursday. A small rain chance, really 20% coverage at best, and then we're talking 60% coverage of widespread rain going into Sunday afternoon and evening. Beneficial rain, we like when we can get that in the forecast, but notice not a whole lot happening through our overnight. I'll keep patchy fog in the forecast tomorrow morning, but not expecting it to be widespread or as dense for most of us. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, really the best rain chances will take place to our west and to our south. We'll put the coverage at 20% if you're southwest of the Metroplex, and then 20% for all of North Texas heading into Thursday with another wave coming in. So not really umbrella weather, but those clouds will stick around for quite some time. And we're looking at a cool, mostly cloudy evening with light winds and temperatures generally in the mid 40s. Overnight, upper 30s and low 40s for that forecast. 43 in Dallas and Fort Worth. 39 toward Denton, 40 in McKinney. Here are the next 7 days for you with your AccuWeather forewarned forecast. Overall, our temperatures will actually be slightly above normal for this time of year to end our work week. Notice not a whole lot of rain just yet. We warm up ahead of that next storm system. It'll actually feel quite nice heading into your Saturday, and then have that umbrella handy for Sunday.